The story behind A Tall Tale, Unraveling Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind a tall tale. This phrase is common in English, and knowing its meaning and usage can really enhance your understanding of the language. So, let's get started. Before we delve into a tall tale, let's first understand what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning can't be understood from the ordinary meanings of the words in it. For example, "It's raining cats and dogs" doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky, but rather that it's raining very hard. Idioms are often colorful and make the language more vivid. Now, let's talk about a tall tale. This phrase refers to a story that is exaggerated or unbelievable. These tales are often so fantastic and elaborate that they're clearly not true. They are usually told for entertainment or to impress others. The tall in tall tale suggests something that is larger than life or exaggerated. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. Folklore. Paul Bunyan, a giant lumberjack from American folklore, is a classic example of a character from a tall tale. 2. Everyday use. If someone says, "He told me a tall tale about catching a fish as big as a car," it means the person doesn't believe the fish story because it sounds greatly exaggerated. How can you use a tall tale in your conversations? It's often used in a playful or skeptical way. For instance, if a friend tells an unbelievable story, you might respond with, "That sounds like a tall tale to me." Remember, it's not usually used to seriously accuse someone of lying, but more to playfully doubt or question the truth of a story. And that's a tall tale for you. Idioms like these make English a colorful and expressive language. We hope this video helps you understand and use a tall tale in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.